Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a popcorn stitch. So the way to do a popcorn stitch is in the stitch you want to do your popcorn, you're going to work 4 treble crochets and then you're going to remove your hook, but don't be scared, we'll take it through. So easy peasy, just to start with yarn round hook and into the stitch you want to work, yarn round and do 1 treble. We're going to do 4 into the exact same stitch. I'll make sure, check out how to do a treble stitch in our channel if you don't know how to already. This stitch is a bit more intermediate. So here you'll see we've got 4 stitches in one. We're going to, what I like to do is just pull that yarn up a bit and take your hook out so you're not in any danger of unraveling it. With your hook, you're going to go from the front to the back, like so, and put that hook back on your stitch and pull tightly. And then you're going to pull, and can you see what that's doing? It's just tightening that cluster of stitches together and then secure with a chain. And it's as simple as that. You've made a popcorn. When you're working on the next row, you're going to work into that chain you just created. So I'll do the same again on the next one. So 1 treble, 2 trebles, 3 trebles, let's get some more yarn, 4 trebles, remove the hook, insert your hook before the first stitch you've just done into the back, bring it round and place that yarn back on your hook. Pull through to the front here and secure with a chain. And there you have it. Popcorns, easy peasy.